Learning English Step by Step with Queen Sanaz. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel Learning English Step by Step with Queen Sanaz. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Today, we are going to enjoy a very interesting and exciting English reading together. So, relax, focus, and try to follow every sentence carefully. Let's begin. Reading. The power of learning. In today's fast-changing world, everything around us is becoming more connected, more advanced, and more competitive than ever before. People are constantly searching for better opportunities, better education, and better ways to improve their lives. In this journey, knowledge plays a powerful and crucial role. Without knowledge, it is almost impossible to understand the complexity of modern life. That is why learning is not just something we do in a school, but something we continue throughout our entire life. Every person in the world has dreams. Some people dream of becoming doctors, engineers, teachers, or business leaders. Others dream of traveling, creating art, or building something meaningful for society. But no matter what the dream is, success always requires effort, patience, and determination. Sometimes life is not easy. We face problems, challenges, and moments of doubt. But these moments are not meant to stop us. They are meant to make us stronger. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow, and every mistake is a lesson that brings us closer to success. If you look at successful people around the world, you will notice something very important. They did not become successful overnight. They worked step by step, day by day, without giving up. They failed many times, but they continued. And that is the real secret of success. Persistence. Learning English is very similar to this journey. At the beginning, everything may seem difficult. You may not understand every word, and you may feel confused. But if you continue practicing, slowly your mind will start to adapt. Words will become familiar. Sentences will become clearer. And one day you will realize that you are thinking in English without effort. The key is consistency. Even if you study just a few minutes every day, it is better than studying many hours only once a week. Smaller steps every day create big results over time. Another important factor in learning is motivation. You must remind yourself why you started. Maybe you want to travel abroad, get a better job, or understand movies and songs without subtitles. Whatever your reason is, keep it alive in your heart. Because motivation is the fuel that keeps you going when things get difficult. And remember, mistakes are not something to fear. Mistakes are part of learning. Every time you make a mistake, you are one step closer to improvement. So, do not be afraid to fail. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. And confidence is the key to real communication. Now, let's take a moment to review this idea. Learning English is not a race. It is a journey, a long and beautiful journey that leads you to new opportunities, new friendships, and a new world of understanding. So, enjoy the process. Do not rush. Do not compare yourself with others. Focus on your own progress because your progress is your success. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this reading and learned something valuable today. If you liked this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends who are also learning English. Your support means a lot and helps the channel grow. So, I see you in the next lesson. Learning English step by step with Queen Sanaz. Goodbye and take care.